Tropical Storm Watch, Thailand braces for strong winds and floods, September 19 to 23, 2024. Weather update, Tropical Depression Alert. As of 4 a.m. LST on the 19th of September, 2024, a tropical depression over the central South China Sea is located approximately 300 kilometers southeast of Quang Tri, Vietnam, at latitude 17.5 degrees north and longitude 110.0 degrees east. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 55 kilometers per hour and is moving west at 20 kilometers per hour. It is expected to strengthen into a tropical storm later today and make landfall in central Vietnam between 19 to 20 September 2024. Simultaneously, the monsoon trough stretches across the lower north, central, and northeast regions of Thailand. This will result in more widespread rain, with isolated heavy rainfall and strong winds in many areas, including the north, northeast, central, including Bangkok, east, and south from 19 to 23 September 2024. Residents in affected areas should be cautious of heavy rainfall, flash floods, and possible overflows, especially near waterways and low-lying areas. Areas affected by heavy rain. The 19th of September, 2024. Northeast, Bueng Khan, Sarkan Nakhon, Nakhon Phanom, Kalasin, Mukdahan, Roi It, Yasathan, Amnit Charawen, Sisikit, Ubon Ratchathani. East, Chanthaburi, Trat. South, Prachuap Kiri Khan, Chumphan, Surot Thoni, Nakhon Sai Thamarat, Phat Halung, Songkhla, Ranong, Phang Ngo, Phuket, Krabi, Trang, Saturn. The 20th of September, 2024. North, Lampang, Phayao, Nan, Phrae, Uttaradit, Sukhothai, Phitsanulok, Phishit, Phetchabun. Northeast, Loei, Nong Khai, Bueng Khan, Nong Bua Lamphu, Udon Thoni, Sarkan Nakhon, Nakhon Phanom, Chayafam, Kon Keen, Kalasin, Mukdahan, Mohar Sarakam, Roi It, Yasathan, Amnit Charawen, Nakhon Ratchasima, Beriram, Surin, Sisikit, Ubon Ratchathani. Central, Nakhon Sawan, Lopburi, Saraburi, Singburi, Angthong, Phra Nakhon Sai Ayathe, Suphan Buri, including Bangkok and its vicinity. East, Nakhon Nayok, Prashin Buri, Sakio, Chakoeng Se, Chanthaburi, Trat. South, Prachuap Kiri Khan, Chumphan, Surot Thoni, Nakhon Sai Thamarat, Phat Halung, Songkhla, Ranong, Phang Ngo, Phuket, Krabi, Trang, Saturn. The 21st of September, 2024. North, Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Lamphan, Lampang, Phayao, Nan, Phrae, Uttaradit, Tak, Sukhothai, Kamphang Phet, Phishit, Phitsanulok, Phetchabun. Northeast, Loei, Nong Khai, Bueng Khan, Nong Bua Lamphu, Udon Thoni, Sarkan Nakhon, Nakhon Phanom, Chayafam, Kon Keen, Mohar Sarakam, Nakhon Ratchasima. Central, Nakhon Sawan, Utai Thoni, Chainat, Lopburi, Saraburi, Kanchanaburi, Ratchaburi, and Bangkok and its vicinity. East, Nakhon Nayok, Prashin Buri, Sakio, Chakoeng Se, Chan Buri, Rayong, Chanthaburi, Trat. South, Phetchaburi, Prachuap Kiri Khan, Chumphan, Surot Thoni, Ranong, Phang Ngo, Phuket, Krabi. 22 to 23 September 2024. Affected areas include the north, northeast, central, east, and south with continuous rain and strong winds. Caution is advised in all these regions due to potential flash floods and high winds. Marine warning. During 19 to 22 September 2024, the strong southwest monsoon will affect the Andaman Sea, south, and the Gulf of Thailand. Heavy to very heavy rains are expected in parts of the south. In the Andaman Sea and Upper Gulf, waves will reach heights of 2 to 4 meters, and over 4 meters in areas with thunderstorms. In the lower Gulf, waves will rise to around 2 meters, with higher waves during thunderstorms. Mariners should exercise extreme caution, avoid sailing near storms, and small boats should remain ashore. General forecast for Thailand. Thundershowers are expected across most of the country, with isolated heavy rains in the east and very heavy rains in the northeast and south regions. The strong winds will cause high waves in the Andaman Sea and Gulf, requiring all ships to proceed with caution. Thank you for being with us today. If you'd like to stay informed on the latest weather updates, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay dry, stay safe, and don't forget to check for any travel updates. Have a fantastic day.